Hey guys, welcome back. We have our, I believe this is our fourth hanger box of Road to Wrestlemania. I'm trying to get the 20 card subset there at the end. Seems to be, we keep getting the same 5 cards in every pack. So let's see if this one's any different, and still waiting to see somebody get something good out of one of these. That's not a base card or one of the 20 card sets. Alright, we'll go through these pretty quick. KO, DA, Stephanie, Darren Young, Dolph, Big Show, Sasha, Bray Wyatt. Our bronze is Charlotte and a Dean Ambrose. Digital pack. Road to WrestleMania 2017. Still haven't got any of those codes to work yet. I did put together an extra set with all the WrestleMania roster cards, so I do have a second set of that now. Vader. Yep, nothing special there, like we expected. But let's see. This looks like at least it's a different 5 cards, hopefully, than I've gotten. I did get these from a different Walmart this time, so I'm hoping to change my luck a little bit. So we have a Dolph Ziggler wins the 6-pack challenge. Finn Balor relinquishes the WWE Universal Championship. That was a sad moment. And there you go. There was him, Finn Balor, winning the WWE Universal Championship. KO and Triple H. And Jerry KO defeats Enzo Amore and Big Cass. So those, I needed all 5, so that's good. I'm happy with that. Used my $3 coupon for this, so it was only $7. So can't complain there. I've seen some of these cards on eBay, and they don't go cheap. So I think I'm better off just buying the hanger boxes and trying to finish the set. So hope you enjoyed, and see you soon. Bye.